Bonnie. She does a great job with them. So, love you.
Wow, so rough.
Yeah, his hair was a lot more fluffier, and then
yeah.
it was raining last 2 days, so I was trying to keep him under an umbrella so his hair would stay fluffed out. Otherwise, it goes back into the perm curly
Curls,
mode.
yeah. The same as a
So
person
it's starting to
with
do on his
curly hair,
legs.
huh?
I can
Yeah.
see the, you know, it'll look nice.
Stop sniffing butt.
That's how dogs get to know each other.
Really?
Each other,
Isn't it romantic? Are you trying to be romantic, Casey?
This is
Casey,
Valentine's
have a
Day
new
tomorrow.
boyfriend. Casey, have a new boyfriend.
yeah. She's almost the same size as him.
Yeah.
But she will grow more.
Oh yeah, I'm
Yeah.
sure in
Yeah, she's gonna
another
be about
month or
60
so
pounds,
he'd
yeah.
double. Yeah.
Yeah, she's going to be eventually probably about 60 pounds.
Yeah.
No way, 60 pounds?
60? Yeah, probably
Ah.
60 to 70.
So is it your dog?
Yeah.
Okay.
We lost 2 dogs in the last 18 months. It's the first time
Oh,
our
sorry to hear
without,
that.
went without dogs for 40 years. So we finally broke down and got a puppy. We've always had at least 2 dogs. I'm not sure we're going to do that now. Oh, now you got them tangled up.
I don't know what I'd do with this little guy that's being here all the time. It's like, it's nice just to be able to come home and